With our busy lives these days, sometimes it feels like we're always waiting in line. Did you know that you can now get prescriptions mailed to your home? The University of Michigan's Mail Order Prescription Drug Program delivers 90-day supplies of eligible prescriptions right to your door. The plan is perfect. If you have prescriptions that you take regularly, like medications that control blood pressure or cholesterol, it can save you 1/3 of the out-of-pocket costs of retail pharmacies. That's around $280 a year per household, and delivery is free and fast. Most prescriptions are filled and mailed on the same day. Getting started is easy too. It takes less than 5 minutes to sign up. And plan members are finding plenty of ways to spend their extra time and money. Life is short. Stop standing in line and get started today. Call 877-269-1160 or visit umich.birdierx.com.